Hello happy souls, this is my new project Kawasaki KB100 rebuild, and these are all the segments which I classified for this restoration project. And now we are in chapter 8, removing the other parts, and in that we are in part 1, removing the accelerator cable, choke cable, headlight assembly and the wiring harness. And in last video we took the engine out from the chassis, and the carburetor is left over, and for that we have to remove these two connections. One is connected to the accelerator, the throttle cable, and another one is connected to the choke line, that is at the LH side, and this accelerator is at the RH side. And underneath, two screws are there, and start loosening it, and one is to the accelerator cable, it is coupled to it, and another one is at the normal type. And to the accelerator, the cable is connected with the cylinder like structure. You have to slide it and remove it. And this is the thing which holds the accelerator cable and gives the throttle. Just pull and remove it. And coming to the LH side, this is a choke cable. Underneath, a washer, star type washer is there, and it slides and pulls the choke cable when you operate it. And remove this one also. And this is the carburetor which we left in the previous video. And here the accelerator cable is split into two. One is connected to the oil pump, that is a petrol oil which mix the petrol with the carburetor, and another one is to the accelerator which is connected to the carburetor. And third one is a choke cable. These three cables are coupled to the accelerator carburetor line. And then moving to the headlight assembly. Here first we are going to remove the focus light alone. Since it is an old vehicle, it is already broken, so if we remove the two screws from the either sides, we can easily remove the focus lamp. And this was already broken at one end, and we have to figure it. We have to buy a new one, or you can use it just a frame alone. And after that started disconnecting every lines, that is here for small lamp, that is a park lamp, one line will be there, and for the headlamp another line will be there. And that headlamp is splitted into two, like one for the high beam and one for the low beam. And this is the main assembly which holds and conceals the wiring system and the headlight system. Here for this you need a 12 mm spanner and loosen it at the either sides, and inside nut has to be held so that we can remove both are of a 12 mm spanner size. And here we are disconnecting each and every electrical wiring systems. And here there will be a combination of wires of same type, that is yellow, red, green, blue, dark green, like that it goes on. And female type and male type connectors, small connectors, big connectors, and many other. We can easily identify them by the wiring color and the notch given for locking the direction, and so on. And after that we completely removed everything, for the pickup coil, the indicator flasher, the battery line, everything. And some of the parts were too rusty, and we don't want to carefully remove. Just we used a cutter and removed it and took off everything. And there are few strips, I have seen these strips in Splendor, I think, for holding the wiring harness. And we can use the same if the parts are not available. So we just remove everything as much as possible. And see you in the next video. Bye.